When you're feeling disconnected from your body and you're needing to ground yourself back down to the earth, this one is for you. So begin with your feet hip width distance apart and simply bounce through your legs, feeling the feet onto the earth and feeling the weight of your body going down into the ground. Bounce for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Inhale, reach the fingertips up overhead. Interlace your fingers and press the palms up to face the sky. Now feel the pull from the hands pushing the sky away to your feet pulling down into the earth. Feel the weight of the earth underneath you. Feel as if you have roots in your feet that are growing down into the earth. So you're being pulled in both directions. Breathe here and just observe that sensation. Inhale to reach in both directions, downwards and upwards. And exhale, let the hands go. Taking a body roll, but placing the palms of your hands on your thighs. As you exhale and you roll down, press the palms into the legs and feel all the way down to the floor. Feel the ground with your palms. And then on your inhale, press the palms back into the legs and roll all the way up, feeling all the way back up to your hips. And again, exhale, press the palms into the thighs, bending the knees down to the earth, palms onto the ground. Inhale, palms connecting to the legs all the way back up. One more time, pressing the hands down towards the earth, and this time we stay down there. So if your hands cannot reach down towards the earth, no problem. You can place your hands on books or blocks or anything you have close by to give you some support. From this position, walk yourself out into your downward facing dog. So the feet walk out behind you, the hands can walk out in front of you until you're in a beautiful little triangle. Your hips pressing up towards the sky. Your knees don't have to be straight. You can soften through the backs of the knees so that you can lengthen your spine. And then just think about your heels extending down towards the earth. Again, no need for them to touch the ground, just intend them to go there. Breathe into the space, feel the feet, feel the hands on the earth. One more breath. And gently walk your feet in towards your hands, little steps, bending the knees as you go. And then heel toe your feet out to the width of your mat so they're just outside of the hips. Toes pointing outwards, heels pointing in, and gently coming down into your yogi squat. You can rock from side to side, feeling the feet down into the ground. Your hands are there for support. And then find a little bit of stillness. Feel all 5 toes on the floor. Feel your heels on the floor and feel your tailbone grounding down towards the earth. You can stay here with your hands down onto the floor, or if you'd like to, you can bring your hands into prayer position, using your elbows just to gently press the knees out. Now open up through the heart space. Lengthen the spine. Feel the tailbone dropping down to the earth, the crown of the head reaching up to the sky. And when you're ready, palms come back down to the earth. Lengthen through the legs, heel toe your feet back in until they are hip width distance. Release the head down one more time. Feel the ground beneath your big toes, your little toes, both sides of your heels, pressing into the 4 corners of the feet. Roll up through the spine, feeling rooted, feeling grounded. Head comes up last. Take a moment here just to feel into the body. Feel the earth beneath you. Feel the weight of your body down onto the ground. Hopefully you feel a bit more connected back to your body, to the earth beneath you, and you're ready to get on with your day. Thank you so much.